Take a ride in the 2017 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. Your new ride is just a phone call away.